Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how you can take your oral care routine to the next level, especially while traveling? Today, we're reviewing a product that might just be the game changer you didn't know you needed: the 2-in-1 Portable Water Flosser with Electric Toothbrush. If you're someone who's always on the go, or perhaps you've been searching for a more efficient way to clean those hard-to-reach areas in your mouth, this may be the answer. But is it really as effective as it promises? Stick around to find out, and don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. This 2-in-1 teeth cleaning kit combines both an electric toothbrush and a water flosser in one sleek, portable device. It's designed for both home and travel use, offering an innovative solution for maintaining your oral hygiene routine without the bulk of multiple devices. The electric toothbrush itself features a newly designed brush head that doubles as a water outlet, allowing water to spray while brushing, providing a deep clean to remove food debris from even the toughest to reach corners of your teeth and gums. Now let's talk about how this product works. The toothbrush features 3 cleaning modes: gentle, clean, and whitening, which gives you flexibility depending on your needs. The water flosser is equipped with a stainless steel water pipe, which is both durable and resistant to mold or deformation, making it a great option for long-term use. It also has a 110mm water tank, which doubles as a mouthwash cup, another nice space-saving feature, especially when you're traveling. The USB-C charging port offers a quick charge time, giving you up to 25 days of use on a single charge in just 2 hours. When I first tried this out, I was curious to see how well it would perform in real life. I've always been a fan of using both an electric toothbrush and a water flosser, but combining both functions into one device is a whole different level of convenience. The toothbrush is surprisingly powerful, with its 3 modes offering different levels of cleaning intensity. I personally gravitated toward the clean mode, which was perfect for my daily use. The gentle mode would be a great option if you have sensitive gums, and the whitening mode definitely gave my teeth a noticeable brightening effect. The water flosser itself worked well, though I did find that it requires a little more precision to avoid water splashing around. But with a bit of practice, it became second nature. The retractable stainless steel pipe is a thoughtful design feature, and it made me feel confident about its durability. Plus, it's a breeze to clean with the included cleaning brush. As far as pros go, I love the compact and portable design. This device is perfect for travel. It's small enough to fit into my bag, and the charging base is easy to pack. The 3 modes and 2 different cleaning heads give you a customized experience, and the fact that it charges quickly is a huge plus. I also appreciate the sleek modern design. This is a beauty tool you'll want to keep out on display. On the flip side, the 110mm water tank can run out quickly if you're used to longer flossing sessions, so you may need to refill it depending on how long you use the water flosser. It would also be nice if the toothbrush had more speed settings, but overall, it does a solid job of cleaning. In terms of value for money, this device offers a solid bang for your buck, especially if you're looking to combine 2 tools into one. You're essentially getting both an electric toothbrush and a water flosser in one compact, travel-friendly device, and considering its durability and ease of use, I think it's worth the price. When comparing it to other electric toothbrush and water flosser combos on the market, this product stands out due to its portability, quick charge time, and ease of cleaning. Some other models may have larger water tanks or additional features, but they often come with the downside of being bulkier and harder to travel with. The build quality is top-notch. The stainless steel water pipe feels sturdy and reliable, and the device itself is lightweight yet durable. The charging base is also solid, with a convenient USB-C charging cable that makes it compatible with most modern chargers. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few similar products, but many of them tend to be larger or less portable. If you don't mind having a separate toothbrush and water flosser, you can also find more traditional options at a similar price point. However, the 2-in-1 combo here is really a convenience that you can't ignore. In conclusion, the portable water flosser with electric toothbrush is a great option for those who value portability, efficiency, and ease of use. It's well suited for travel and everyday use, offering excellent value for its price. While it may not have the largest water tank or the most powerful toothbrush settings, it does an impressive job of keeping your teeth and gums clean, with the added bonus of being easy to pack and use. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're thinking about picking one up, check the link in the description or comments. Also, if you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.